To adjust all of the date and time settings on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down, and then we'll need to find the general management. Right here, click on date and time options, and then we'll be able to adjust all of them. First thing is automatic date and time. If you disable it, you'll be able to adjust it manually, but doing this manually may cause some network synchronization issues, so I would recommend to just put it on automatic. Then there's automatic time zone, and it's the same thing. If you select the time zone manually, then you may encounter some issues, so I would suggest to turn it on. There's also option to set time zone based on location, which will better determine your time zone if you use this feature. Lastly, there's use 24 hours format. That means you can switch between 24 hours clock or 12 hours clock when you disable it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.